Hi everyone, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Today this channel, I buy the Mazda RX-7 FD. This car buy from auction. Good quality, but ride height and more aggressive. So yes, I will change the ride height and whole spacer. Let's go. HKS Hypermax SP Max 4.じゃん。48. 28. 20 mil down. よし。Now it's adjusting the ride height, 20 mil down. Next, more wide, aggressive. Now I have two spacer, 15 mil, 20 mil, 20. Yes. 20 mil.入るかな Can I fit? Go, 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 go. Woo. すごい。Woo. Can I drive it? Okay. Yubi. But maybe I can drive it. Yes. Next, front. Oh, aggressive style. Next, front. (42) 10 mil. 10 mil down. Okay. 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 Wide. Big different. Oh, looks so nice. Okay. Finish back this car. Good. Nice, good. Front 10 mm. Wide 15 mm. Rear 20 mm. 20 mm down. This car, introduced this car, discuss specs. Outside, normally, came to the bonnet, only bonnet. Front grip, standard, but this model is so good. Wheel is NK. Looks great. Yeah. Rear wing is a standard. Looks so nice. Yes, engine room. Interior. All standard. But meter ね。this car all HKS parts F-Com V Pro. Rear seat. Interior is good. Okay. Next, open. This car, the engines are overhaul. Maybe overhaul after 3,000, 50,000, 5,000 kilometer. Engines are like new. HKS intercooler, V-mount kit. HKS radiator, oil cooler. Looks clean. Fuel pressure. Nice car. This car looks the standard, but the engine is a good condition. Nice, looks more good. It's cool. Looking good. This car make finish now. We can sell to this car. The exporting the overseas, USA, Australia, all countries okay. If you're interested, please message me. You can message Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, all okay. I'm waiting your message. Bye.